Joby Aviation is rapidly positioning itself as one of the leading pioneers in electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL technology, with significant developments planned for 2026. The company has successfully completed its first piloted airport-to-airport flight in FAA-controlled airspace, traveling from Marina to Monterey in just 12 minutes over a distance of approximately 12 miles. This marks a crucial milestone as Joby moves closer to achieving full FAA certification. By early 2026, commercial air taxi services are expected to begin in major U.S. cities, including New York and Los Angeles, where Joby is already securing strategic infrastructure through high-profile acquisitions and partnerships. One of the most notable steps toward operational readiness has been Joby's acquisition of Blade Air Mobility's passenger business for up to $125 million. This deal grants Joby access to key terminals at JFK, Newark, and various sites across Manhattan, strengthening its position in the competitive urban air mobility sector. Alongside this, Joby is also preparing to launch its services internationally, with Dubai confirmed as one of the first global markets to experience commercial passenger flights, scheduled for spring 2026. The company has already begun developing vertiports and working with UAE regulators to secure operational certification, aiming to make Dubai a central hub for its Middle Eastern expansion. On the manufacturing front, Joby is scaling up production to meet expected demand. Its facility in Marina, California, has expanded to 435,000 square feet and plans to produce 24 eVTOL aircraft annually by 2026. In addition, the company is developing a large-scale production plant in Ohio that could eventually manufacture up to 500 aircraft per year, ensuring global supply capabilities. Toyota, a key investor, has contributed not only significant funding, reportedly exceeding $250 million, but also advanced manufacturing expertise, accelerating Joby's transition from prototype to mass production. This partnership highlights Joby's strategy of combining aviation innovation with automotive production efficiency. Beyond its standard electric models, Joby has also made breakthroughs in alternative propulsion technologies. The company recently completed a record-setting 523-mile non-stop flight using a hydrogen-electric variant, signaling future plans to introduce eVTOL models with extended range and enhanced efficiency. This technological diversification ensures that Joby remains competitive in emerging markets where longer-distance operations will be required. Financially, Joby is poised for a major breakthrough in 2026, with projections indicating a potential 900% increase in revenue compared to previous years. This growth will be driven by a combination of air taxi subscriptions, defense contracts, and vertiport services, alongside partnerships with companies like Uber and Delta to integrate eVTOL services into existing transportation networks. Investors have responded positively to recent milestones, and Joby's stock has experienced notable surges following its successful test flights, though valuations remain ambitious relative to near-term revenue expectations. By 2026, Joby Aviation is expected to emerge as a dominant force in the global urban air mobility market. With US and UAE launches, rapid production scaling, advanced propulsion innovations, and robust financial backing, the company is on track to redefine short-distance air travel and establish one of the world's first operational eVTOL air taxi networks.